Welcome to the quantum universe. We're so glad you're here. Every day, people from around the world arrive with different stories, different experiences, and different hopes for what comes next. Some are simply curious. Others are looking for new ways to support relaxation, balance, and everyday well-being. Many are searching for a community that values learning, encouragement, and meaningful connection. Whatever brings you here today, welcome. At the Quantum Universe, we believe that every journey is unique. There isn't one path that's right for everyone, because no two people begin from exactly the same place. That's why we've created an experience designed to help you explore at your own pace. As you continue through these pages, you'll discover the ideas that inspire our community, meet the people who have helped shape this organization, and learn about the educational resources, guided experiences, and growing collection of programs available to our members. You won't be asked to have all the answers. You won't need to know where to begin. We'll guide you, one step at a time. Along the way, you'll discover areas of interest that reflect many of the reasons people choose to explore the quantum universe. Whether you're interested in creating a daily wellness practice, finding moments of greater calm, improving focus, building consistency, or simply learning something new, you'll be invited to explore what resonates with you. Our community is built on participation, generosity, and a shared desire to continue learning together. Members from more than 50 countries contribute their experiences, encourage one another, and help shape the future of this growing community. If you decide you'd like to explore further, we'll invite you to enjoy a complimentary 72-hour experience. It's a simple way to become familiar with our community, discover selected resources, and see whether becoming a member feels like the right next step for you. Wherever your journey leads, we hope you'll find something here that inspires you to continue exploring. Thank you for spending these moments with us. Welcome to the Quantum Universe. We're honored to have you here.